show you full level in Twill Pant. So all is the original product from Bangladesh. First of all, we'll see the Lee. Is the Lee Lee Twill Pant. It's original product. Here is the pocket, and here is the fabric, and here is the button, and here is the zipper, and this is the original product. The original. So if anyone need this product, please contact us. We have a lot of branded product from Bangladesh. I will show you the famous brand is Izod. This is the Izod Twill Pant, the slim fit and everything. Factory card the details. I think here is. So here is the pocket. Here is the pocketing style, and there is the zipper and button, and here is also embroidery Izod logo. Izod, you see the Izod pant. So we have Izod pant available in our source, our factory. So if anyone need the Izod pant, please contact us. And the next level is the Bass&Co, GHP Bass&Co. Here is the button, here is the main level, and here is the pocketing style, and this is the back pocket, and also mention the level. This is the another back pocket level. Here is the another zipper. So if anyone like this product, this type product, please contact us. I will show you the next denim pen. Here is the L.O.G.G, and the brand of H&M. L.O.G.G, and the skinny fit. Here is the size, everything, Euro, US, KC, and everything, every details. So here is the pocketing style, small pocket. Here is also mention the L.O.G.G, you see, H&M. Here is the button. There is the solid button. Here is the product. The fabric is very nice, slim fit style. The back pocket. Here is also mentioned the L.O.G.G brand. So guys, anyone need any product from Bangladesh, please contact us. We have a lot of product from Bangladesh. Here is the all branded product: Wrangler, Lee, Izod, Nautica, Dockers, Levi's, and Lee, Banana Republic, Spirit, Izod, Banana Republic. We have a lot of stock product from Bangladesh. If anyone needs any stock product, please contact us. I will give you my all contact details in video description, and please keep watching my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.